Do what makes you happy. And sometimes that's easier said than done. Sometimes people can't even figure out what makes them happy. Hi, my name's Jim. I talk about chronic pain on this channel a lot. But anyway, that's one reason I like living alone, is because I can just do what I want to do, the things I like. My wife died 6 years ago, so I just live alone in this little place with my dog Annie. And a lot of people probably think that sounds lonely, but going back, I got married the first time when I was 19 years old. I was married 3 times. So I've kind of like most of the time been in relationships and things. So I actually kind of enjoy just being by myself and doing what I want to do. Also, you know, when I grew up on a dairy ranch. And so then since I was the oldest, there was I had a younger brother and then a younger sister, but that's what I did. I started working on the dairy ranch, and it's not necessarily because it's what I wanted to do, it's just kind of what I was expected to do. So I never really felt like it was really my thing. It was just kind of, I was just kind of born into it. And I think for younger people, you know, that's a problem. Because I didn't really know what else I would want to do. So I'm like, you know, when I got out of high school, it's like, well, I got to do something. I don't really want to go to college, so I guess I'll just work on a ranch because I don't really know what else to do. And I think it's that, like I said, I think it's that way with a lot of younger people. I was hanging out with my son on Saturday, and he was talking about that. He started this plumbing job, I don't know, a year or so ago, where he basically travels around and, you know, goes to people's houses, and he does inspections and things, but he's like, you know, I don't really like plumbing that much, and it's turned into more of a salesman job. And, you know, they want me to sell all this stuff. And he goes, and I hate selling things. So he didn't seem too happy with it. He's worked in retail his last couple of jobs, and that's what he said. He goes, I don't like selling things. I always wanted to do more of the management stuff. I hate selling things. So that's the thing right there. You have to kind of be able to do the things you like every day that you enjoy, or you're not going to be very happy. But like I said, it's easier said than done. It's like you have a lot of life. You know, you have to just try to survive and, you know, make money. And, you know, if you have a family, sometimes you got a wife, you got kids you got to take care of, all that stuff. So sometimes it's hard to find time to do the things that you like to do, but doing the things you like to do are what make you the happiest. And when you're happy, then you're just kind of a better person to be around, and you're more of an encourager, and you encourage other people. And, you know, if you're doing a lot of things that you don't like, that you just have to do all the time, it kind of wears you down. It wears on you, and then you're more irritable, cranky, not as much fun to be around. So it's really important, you know, to find the things that you enjoy doing. It's just really hard thing to do. What I'm finding right now is by living alone by myself, most days I can just get up and let the day unfold. Just do what I feel like doing. You know, a lot of times if I plan something the night before, say I want to make a video, or, you know, go do some shopping, or do some errands, or, you know, do a little bit of work in the yard, whatever I want to do, if I have that planned, I'll try to do that. But otherwise, I'll just kind of get up and let the day unfold and kind of go with the flow. And that's kind of nice. There's no pressure. Just kind of do whatever you want and go where the day takes you. That's real nice. But, you know, a lot of people are so busy and so rushed and have so much going on, and they're trying to work so hard to survive. They can't really do that and really enjoy that. So I think, you know, Earth would be a lot nicer place if people could just do the things they enjoy doing, and not all these things that they have to do. It's like such a rat race trying to survive, because everything is so expensive these days, and it's just so hard to survive. And then everything on the news and the media is so negative. Lately, I've just been turning that stuff off and just doing the things I like to do, hanging around here, taking walks, going out in nature, working in the yard, that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's just my thoughts for this morning. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.